Joy Vess, I'm the Managing Director of Absolute Domestics. There's a great deal of pleasure out of getting and helping people find work. We provide work for thousands of people, and I think that's something that I'm really proud of. Mums generally are responsible for the house. Men help as much as they can, but women generally just get in and take over. It's just the way it is. Mums are burnt out. I think there are a lot of women who are doing way too much. They're on the go the whole time. You know, get up, school, work, come home, homework, iron before you go to bed, get up Saturday, dust, vacuum, mop, scrub the bathrooms. And then they give up their careers too. So, you know, they give up their careers so that they can work part-time so they can look after the house. Well, why don't they keep their careers, do the things that they're successful at doing, and instead of doing housework? The beauty about that is that it creates jobs for other people.
I think what makes us different here at Absolute Domestics is the staff that you speak with every day cares for the work they do. You know, the girls that we have here, we don't see this as a 9-to-5 job. We see this as, you know, dedicating our time to talk with cleaners, making sure that they're comfortable, they're happy, they're meeting all of their requirements that they need from us. But we also talk with our clients, and there's something really special about clients being appreciative for you giving them their time back. You know, you can't put a price on time. So when we give it back to our clients, there's something really incredible about that. I love my job because I feel that, you know, we're always appreciated, whether that's from our clients, whether it's from our cleaners, whether it's internally by management. It makes a difference when you come to work and you know why you've got to work hard, because there's a reason behind it. That's what I love.
Well, Absolute Domestics is a recruitment and referral agency. So what that will really mean to you is that we recruit cleaners. So we place ads in the paper, we meet with them, we make sure that, you know, these applicants are going to be right for our clients. We ask all the relevant questions, we do all their reference checking, we do all their history, their work history, we meet them obviously, they come to a workshop. So once they've passed all that process, then we know that we've recruited the right people for you. Now that the cleaner has been registered, they will be assigned a team manager. So the team manager's role is to really make sure that the relationship between our cleaners and you as the client runs as smoothly as possible.
Hi, I'm Andrea and I work at Absolute Domestics. I've been there now for approximately 5 years, and I work with the most wonderful group of women. So there's approximately 80 of us that actually work in the office. That's ranging from the accounts team to the recruitment team, from the customer service team. We all wear different hats at Absolute Domestics as well. It's my job to liaise with the cleaners and the clients. So it's finding that fine line of making sure that we keep the cleaners and the clients happy. We do regular follow-up calls with all of our clients, and I hear the clients say, my cleaner has changed my life, I could not live without them. And then I get the opportunity to call my cleaners and say, guess what this client has said about you. That makes me feel really proud, because I get to see when the cleaners first come to Absolute Domestics and they're first registered with us, and just watching them grow. And you get...
Absolute Domestics is passionate about people, and we're passionate about making a difference in our clients' lives. And the way we do that is providing them with a trained, trustworthy and reliable cleaner to go into their homes, do the housework for them, whether that be washing, ironing, tidying or folding, which gives them their weekends back, which gives them the opportunity to go to soccer on Saturday mornings and have Sundays relaxing by the pool. On the other side of that, we have cleaners who we give employment to. We give them the ability to be in the workforce, working the hours that they'd like. Our cleaners registered come from a number of different backgrounds. We have working mums, retirees. You know, what matters to us is that the cleaner is able to meet our clients' expectations, and we support our cleaner through that process by giving them on-the-job training, by ensuring that they've got a dedicated customer service officer working with them, their team manager, every day to make sure they can reach our clients' expectations. As part of that process and reaching expectations, we're doing follow-ups with our clients. We're making sure that they're happy, they know what they want, and that at all times that service is delivered for them.
Yeah, if you want to communicate anything to your cleaner, by all means leave a note out for them or send them an SMS the day before or the morning of the clean. You can even send them an email. It's really up to you, but it's very important to keep those lines of communication open so that you get the exact service you want. Probably 3 good reasons why you would go through an agency rather than go through a private cleaner. The first one is that you're tapping into a vast network of cleaners and also their cleaning knowledge. The second one is that you've got somebody else handling the process for you, so you're not left having awkward conversations if anything goes wrong or you change your mind. And the last reason, which is quite important, is that we offer insurance, training and screening for all cleaners that come into your home. If you use a private cleaner, what happens when you have to have those awkward conversations or if things don't work out? With an agency, we can organise a replacement cleaner. We can get fill-ins if the cleaner's on holidays. You don't have that option if you're going through somebody that's an individual. So working with an agency rather than a private cleaner makes the whole process so much easier. They do everything for you. You literally ring up, book the service and they coordinate the lot.
At Absolute Domestics, we offer a whole range of cleaning services, from regular services, which can be weekly and fortnightly, to the more in-depth cleans, such as spring cleans, move-in cleans, move-out cleans, and even end-of-lease cleans. We also offer a catch-up clean. A catch-up clean is just when you need those extra set of hands. Maybe you haven't been well, or you've just had a baby, or maybe a friend of yours has just had a baby. It's a great opportunity to just get those extra set of hands.
Absolute Domestics can always organise a housekeeper for you. So what a housekeeper does is the housekeepers really are tailored to those clients that are so time poor and they have kids to look after, quickly rush out the door, drop them off, go to work. They don't get home until 6 or 7 o'clock at night. They're just really busy. So, we have housekeepers that can come in the morning. Once you've gone to work, they'll clean up, they'll do the dishes, unpack the dishwasher, clean, tidy, do your washing, your ironing, get all that done for you, lock up after themselves. And when you come home, you'll find that it's all done and all the stresses of the cleaning side of it is gone.